Now let's look at how the structural team receives this update from your team and uses features in the Design Collaboration module to assess the impact of these changes on their structural design. Once the structural team sees that a new package is available from the architectural team on the project timeline, they can explore the package and use BIM 360 Design's Change Visualization tool to better understand how the design has been changed. In this example, seeing that your new wall locations will require changes to structural column placements, the structural team consumes the package. This action automatically updates the linked architectural model in their Revit structural model. With your team's updates now visible in their structural model, the structural team can now modify the locations of their structural columns to align perfectly with your new wall positions. Once completed, they can create a structural package of their own and communicate their design changes back to the larger project team.